Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time stopping by, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a subscriber already, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos again. My name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber currently living in Ibadan. And if you're coming across this face for the first time, please kindly do well by clicking on the subscribe button below, hit the like button, and feel free to share this video. I'm going to be sharing recipes that contain antioxidants that will help you clear blemishes from your skin, that will clear up dead cells, and also leave your skin looking radiant and brighter. This is no joke. This recipe is very amazing, and they are natural. It's a natural recipe that will glow your skin, whiten your skin, treat your skin, clear out blackhead, clear out pimples, and they are natural. Okay, so if you want to get 3 shades lighter than your skin in a natural way, definitely grab a popcorn, grab a cup of water or a cup of juice. Sit back and enjoy this video. Watch from start to finish so that you won't miss any step. Okay, so without further say or do, let's get right into the video. This is watermelon. Watermelon is very rich in antioxidants and minerals that reduces redness of the skin. It also helps to lighten the skin. Watermelon will give you this glowing and radiant skin you are craving for. It is very good and effective recipe for skin lightening and skin glowing. This is carrot. Carrot contains vitamin C, which has healing properties. It also helps to treat skin disorder. It is good for clearing up breakouts. Carrot is rich in vitamin A and help prevent the overproduction of cells in the outer layer of the skin. Carrots are a powerhouse for glowing skin due to a large amount of beta-carotene that helps prevent the degeneration of cells. It also slows aging and it will make your skin glow and youthful. It is also very effective for skin whitening with no side effects in a natural way. This is cucumber. Cucumber helps to smoothen the skin, reduces puffiness and redness of the skin. It also helps to combat signs of aging. It will clear wrinkles, stretch out wrinkles on your skin. It is also very effective for skin whitening with no side effect. This is pineapple. Pineapple is very rich in antioxidants. It helps remove dead skin cells and brighten the skin. It is very effective for skin whitening with no side effect. This is orange. Orange contains antioxidants that will give your skin a clear and a brighter look in no time. It will treat blackhead, clear dead cells, treat acne. Orange also helps to improve your skin texture, and it is well known for having anti-aging benefit. Orange is full of citric acid, which is amazing ingredient that helps to reduce pimples and also clear off blemishes on your skin. It is very effective for skin whitening with no side effect. So guys, this is the outcome of the multivitamin juice for skin brightening and glowing skin. Okay, give it a try this recipe and see what happens on your skin in just 2 weeks, and come back to my channel, leave a comment, let me know the feedback. Okay, remember to subscribe. That is very, very important. It is important. Click on the subscribe button, that highlighted red button below. Click on it, give this video a thumbs up, share this video. Yes guys, share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Cheers.